In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to skip the GeForce NOW queue. Let's start with the most important thing to understand right away. If you're using the free plan on GeForce NOW, there is no official way to skip the queue completely. The waiting system is managed directly by NVIDIA's servers, which means it isn't something you can manually bypass through a setting, a trick, or an app. So if your goal is to get into your game faster in a legitimate and reliable way, the real solution is to use a paid access option. The easiest short-term option is to buy a day pass. This is a good choice if you don't want to commit to a full subscription but still want better access for a limited time. To do that, open the GeForce NOW membership page. Once you're there, look for the available day pass options. You'll typically see a performance day pass and an ultimate day pass. At this point, choose the pass that fits what you need. If you mainly want improved queue priority and a smoother experience for the day, a performance day pass may be enough. If you want the highest tier available for that period, then the ultimate day pass is the better choice. Take a moment to review what each option includes before completing the purchase so you know exactly what level of access you're getting. After purchasing the day pass, go ahead and launch your game through GeForce NOW as you normally would. Because you now have premium access for the duration of the pass, you should receive priority in the queue compared to free plan users. That means you can usually start playing much faster, especially during busier times when server demand is high. Once your session starts, you can simply enjoy the premium queue priority for the next 24 hours. This is especially useful if you know you'll be gaming a lot in a single day and want to avoid long wait times without signing up for a longer membership plan. One helpful tip is to activate the day pass when you actually plan to use it, rather than buying it too early and wasting part of that 24-hour window. That way, you get the most value from your purchase. So to sum it up, you can't officially skip the GeForce NOW queue on the free plan, but you can reduce or avoid the wait by purchasing a Performance Day Pass or Ultimate Day Pass, opening your game, and using the premium priority that comes with it.